Hey everybody, hey everybody, hey everybody. Welcome back to my habitat. 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 Today, my mom's place today. Yeah, I'm just really excited for this upcoming gardening season. So let's get into showing off these plants. Alright, taking over this wall. Veronica putting on their first flush of blooms here. One of my favorite spots in my entire garden this year. Really, really beautiful flower. We have the silver falls. I love this plant. I'm in love with this kale bed. Love this plant. I can't wait for those. I think they're gonna be so beautiful. You guys hear that? Oh, look at those. Yes, purple carrot. Yeah, look at that. Oh, it just means summer's finally here. Other co-inhabitant of my habitat, Daniel, will be here. This is Hal, our little leaf. Oh, that's a good sized one.
Good one.
Right now I have Dora watching the garden for me. Much more tidy back here, other than having that big bed, which could get pretty messy throughout the season. Or whenever you're actually harvesting the fruit, you're gonna want to pick. Very, very sad.
Don't know where, don't know when.
I am so excited these are here. How many times am I going to say that? Oh yeah, sharing dahlias and getting more dahlia tubers over here. That means every neighborhood could be filled with them. Everybody should plant them because, I mean, who doesn't want spring color? Till next time, and till next time, stay planting. Stay planting. Remember, stay planting.